What we're going to do is we're going to try and make some fine art out of some really finer art at the Joe Mama's car show in Jerome. Check it out. You know, one of the things about shooting at a car show is, one thing is the people that keep walking in the way, so you have to be patient. But when you see this car, the side of it on the 57 Chevy, just underneath the molding, you have a reflection of a full car on the side. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about that. I mean, I got the polarizing filter and it doesn't matter. It's going to be there. So that's one of the things that you have to really work at in post to actually get rid of that car, and the trick is making it look real. Okay, one of the things you got to remember when you're shooting cars, and it's really kind of, again, hard at a car show, but you want to make sure, like on this Corvette, the way that the wheels are, you don't ever want to show the tread if you can get away with it. Sometimes it's impossible. The best shot is with the tread showing, but you always want to work to not show the tread of the tire.